Good afternoon, Zella.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Zela Agat Tatad. I'm 37 years old. I am a Christian. I am married with 2 kids.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
I want to work as a maid, ma'am, because I want to support my family in the Philippines, especially the education of my kids.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
I choose Malaysia because it is near in the Philippines.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
I am physically fit, ma'am.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
I am third year college, ma'am, taking up Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
I work in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates as a housemaid, likewise a babysitter with 4 kids.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
Yes.
Can you please tell me what place and how many years you worked for?
I work in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates for 2 years and 2 months.
Okay. Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
And whose baby you taking care of?
I am taking care with my 2 kids and also in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. I am taking 4 kids with my employer.
Okay. And how about elderly people?
I can also take care of elderly people, ma'am, because I have experienced that with my grandparents.
Okay. Do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to cook Filipino food and Arabic food.
Okay. Are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
Filipino food
Like what?
like adobo, pancit, sinigang.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
I want washing.
Okay. If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids?
My husband.
Okay. You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
You are only allowed to use your handphone after you finish all the works and when going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
You are strictly needed to surrender the handphone to your employer in the morning, and your employer will return back to you once you're going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
If ever your employer finds out that you're abusing of use your handphone and it's affected your work performance, your employer will confiscate your handphone and you are not allowed to hold it anymore. Instead, your employer will allow you to call to your family 3 times in a month. You're only allowed to bring normal phone and you are not allowed to bring smartphone. Are you agreed for the terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you agreed to the rules and regulation for the handphone?
Yes, ma'am.
How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years.
Can you describe for me your ethics?
I am an honest person. I am hardworking. I am willing to deal with other people. And I am possessed other qualities ideal for a housemaid.
Okay. How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I will finish my 2 years contract, ma'am.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulation of the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
No, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Are you prepared to work for the employer of any race?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you prepared to eat the type of food taken by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of being left alone in the house?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or other pets?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise to work according to instruction from your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any immediate family working in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Zella, we have finished our question section. Let's go to case study. I have a case study for you and I want you to answer me truthfully. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, number 1. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
I will continue to work and finish my 2 years contract, ma'am.
Okay, number 2. Tell us about yourself and why do you want to work in Malaysia as domestic helper?
I am an honest person, hardworking, God-fearing. I am ready to deal with other people, and I will work with my employer with all my goodness and my best. And I am also expecting that they will treat me as their family member.
Okay,
And I
Zella.
work.
Okay, Zella. What do you
Okay,
want to tell to employer who watching your video right now?
To my employer who are watching the video right now, I want to assure them that I will finish my 2 years contract and I will follow all the regulation in their house and I will follow all the agreement written in the contract.
Okay, thank you very much, Zella. We will update to your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you also.